What if I told you a single sector in crypto just exploded by over 74% in 1 week? Or that a historic US-China trade deal is reshaping the entire financial landscape? Let's break down what's happening and what it means for your portfolio in this 6-minute Crypto Pulse update. Hey everyone, Alex here from Moonward Capital with your twice daily Crypto Pulse update. The markets are moving fast and we've got some major developments to cover today, so let's dive right in. Bitcoin is consolidating around a 103K, up just 0.28% as it takes a breather after its recent push, while Ethereum shows more strength at 2,142 with a 1.30% gain. But the real story is happening in specialized sectors. DeFAI tokens have absolutely exploded with a 74.61% weekly gain. Not to be outdone, Memecoins are up an even more staggering 77.62% over the past 7 days. This is what sector rotation looks like in real time, folks. What's driving this? Let's break down 3 critical developments that are reshaping the market right now. First, we have a breakthrough in US-China trade relations. Both nations have agreed to reduce tariffs, with China suspending 24% of tariffs on US goods for 90 days. This is injecting fresh optimism into global markets, creating a risk-on environment that's benefiting crypto. When geopolitical tensions ease, we typically see capital flow into growth assets, and right now, crypto is capturing a significant portion of that capital. Second, Coinbase is about to make history. On May 19th, it will become the first pure crypto business to join the S&P 500 index, replacing Discover Financial Services. This isn't just symbolic, it represents a significant legitimacy milestone for the entire industry. Traditional finance is now formally recognizing crypto's staying power, and this will likely trigger additional institutional inflows as index funds and ETFs are forced to purchase coin shares. Third, and perhaps most exciting, is the DeFAI sector's meteoric 74.61% weekly rise. This combination of decentralized finance and artificial intelligence is creating a new narrative that's capturing both retail and institutional attention. This isn't just a pump. We're seeing real revenue models develop at the intersection of AI and DeFi. Projects like Cato and Virtual are leading this charge with substantial growth in both users and revenue. Adding fuel to this fire, CPI data just came in at 2.3% versus the 2.4% forecast. This below-expectation inflation reading increases the odds of Fed rate cuts later this year, which would be another tailwind for crypto markets. Now let's talk about some significant whale movements. One whale just deposited 40 million USDC to Hyperliquid, increasing short positions on BTC, ETH, and SOL to $230 million with 5x leverage. Meanwhile, the infamous Hyperliquid 50x whale closed a 10x short position on WF with a $243,000 loss, signaling capitulation on Memecoin shorts. Looking ahead, here are 3 key events to watch. The Whitebit $1.16 billion token unlock happening today, which could create selling pressure. U.S. Treasury Stablecoin Roundtable on May 15th, focusing on compliance requirements. Coinbase's S&P 500 inclusion on May 19th and the potential price action leading up to it. The convergence of DeFAI's explosive growth, easing U.S.-China tensions, and cooling inflation creates a powerful cocktail that could accelerate further this week. However, after such explosive moves, some profit-taking wouldn't be surprising. My recommendation: consider taking partial profits on assets that have surged more than 50% weekly while maintaining exposure to quality DeFi projects with actual revenue models. That's your Crypto Pulse update for today. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the crowd. I'll be back in 12 hours with another update on these rapidly evolving markets. This is Alex from Moonward Capital. Until next time, trade smart and stay profitable.